Today's video talks about top 7 online businesses that earn you 6 income figures in real time. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss out anything. Starting with affiliate marketing. It is currently the hot business model in the market. You earn commissions by promoting products online. Based upon your niche, you can advertise any product. Which products to select? Let's take the case of marketing. You can promote hosting and domain, email marketing softwares, SEO tools, social media marketing tools, and graphic designing softwares. Not only digital services, but you can promote physical products too. Food and technology niche are perfect examples of this. Where to find products? Digistore24 and ClickBank are some affiliate networks worldwide that you can check out. These platforms not only allow you to advertise, but also sell your own products. Impact is another affiliate program. I have mentioned their links in the description down below. How do you earn? When a buyer is interested, they are directed to the marketplace. After a successful purchase, you earn commissions from the sale. The second on the list is the most lucrative option in the market. I'm talking about YouTube automation. Unlike a personal brand channel that requires you to show your face, these are faceless YouTube channels that don't involve recording videos at all. Take this channel for instance. As you can see, they have merged a couple of video clips and did a voiceover without even showing their face. What's your role? All you have to do is come up with ideas for the video. You can then outsource the tasks of script writing, voiceover, video editing and thumbnail design to a group of people. Upwork and Fiverr have freelancers doing these at a very reasonable price. In the early stages, it might seem like burning a hole in the pocket. But once your channel takes off, it won't be difficult to outsource. What is a niche? Let me tell you one thing. Your income in this field completely depends upon the niche you choose. Now you might ask, what is a niche and which one to choose? Well, a niche is nothing but a topic or category of particular interest. For instance, health, cars, psychology, marketing, investing, etc. are just to name a few. Coming to which one to pick. Well, I would recommend the one that you are extremely passionate about because that will keep you in the long run. But if you want, you can explore high CPM niches like business, technology, make money online, and luxury. To start learning YouTube automation right away, hit that link in the description down below and start your journey today. Moving on to the next one we have, is blogging. All you need to do is write articles. People who enjoy writing will certainly profit from this. And again, pick any niche of your choice. What topic to write on? This is a common confusion everyone has. Many choose any random subject and start writing articles. That is not how blogging works. You need to select a topic, more specifically a keyword having less competition. SEO tools like Ahrefs and Ubersuggest can assist you with keyword recommendations. How to rank for a keyword? A low competitive keyword is the secret key ingredient. After that, optimize your blog article for that particular keyword by generating backlinks to your articles. Backlinks are reference links from others' website to your own website. They are important to improve your overall search ranking. How do you earn? Once your blogs attract traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense. It pays to display advertisements on your website. Famous bloggers earn anywhere from $1,000 to $90,000 from Google AdSense alone. You can also put affiliate links in your articles. Up next in the list is freelancing. Using your skills, you can earn huge incomes online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are perfect platforms to apply. Submit your proposal for a job post and bid your price. You can either mention an hourly rate or a fixed price. If someone is interested in your proposal, they might hire you for the job. Coming to number 5, we have digital marketing. The name itself is self-explanatory. Any form of marketing online is considered as digital marketing. If you are an expert in SEO, placing advertisements, conducting data analysis and doing social media marketing, then this is the best fit for you. Earning potential. Digital marketing is a high-paying job. You can earn anywhere from $50,000 to $150,000 per year depending upon your experience. On the other hand, a self-employed marketer can earn millions of dollars with the right skill set. Future scope. With many companies emerging online, digital marketing is a booming career option. To start your career, you can apply for jobs, but after some hands-on experience, you can start your own digital marketing agency. Next up on the list is print on demand. If you are looking for an option that requires little to no investment, then print on demand is the perfect choice for you. See these trendy t-shirts and mugs? You can create eye-catching designs and sell these products on e-commerce platforms. And the best part is, you don't need to do any marketing, shipping, handling, or sales. Which business allows you so much freedom? Where to design? Etsy, Printo are some platforms that you can design on. If you are a graphic designer, you can use Photoshop or Canva. Looking for free options for ideas? Check out Pexels, Freepik, Unsplash, and Pinterest. These are free design resources with over millions of stock photos. Where to sell? Printful, Shopify, Printify, Gelato are companies to sell your designs. And last but not the least, you can sell courses online. Everyone wants to learn new skills to start earning passive income. If you specialize in something like cryptocurrency or stock trading or any other high-income skill, you can educate your audience and earn at the same time. But before you start putting modules together for the course and recording videos, you might want to consider pre-selling it. It is basically a prototype of what your actual course would look like. This is an added advantage as you won't waste hours of making content that is unnecessary but focus more on what your audience prefers. Moreover, your base model would sell the actual course itself. The success of your students is another plus point. Most people buy courses online if you have a social proof, with students sharing their achievements along the journey. And with that, we have come to the end of top 7 trending online business models. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, alphaDigit.